How to use Chrome browser zoom feature. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Open your Chrome browser and search any of the web you want. Then in order to use the zoom feature, what you have to do is on this top right corner, you will see this three dot. Tap on it and then you will be able to see zoom option. If you cannot find it over here, it's because it's built in. You just can pinch out like this using your two fingers and easily use the zoom feature, which is more better. Like as you can see, I can do it very easily. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.